These next two battlers have been fucking biting at the bit. I'm so excited for this one. Like I said, these next two are doing best of 3 jokes as well. But this first comic runs an amazing comedy show here every third Thursday called The Joking Bee. Make it loud for Phill Corridor! Phill! No, that's weird. You guys thought it was the white guy? What's up, buddy? Hi.
Hey,
How are you? How are you?
good. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. You got anything you got to get off your chest? Anything you got to clear in the air before this battle happens?
Well, I was thinking earlier today that you could only win in a fight if it was against your own dick.
What, me?
Yeah.
I do beat that thing. No. Okay.
And Mitch, I feel like both of our parents would be pissed if you married my sister. I don't know. Hannah Jones is in the building. Hell yeah. You look like if Raggedy Ann combed her hair. You look great.
You look great.
Adam, I don't know. I've already. I don't know what to say. You're just too tall. You're uncomfortably tall. I'm scared.
Thank you, ASMR Kelly.
I just pee on myself. Okay.
Fuck yeah. Let's introduce your competitor. He came to me with this battle, and I was excited for it. Wide right, clap your hands for Nash Levitt! Yeah!
Hello.
What's up, dude?
Nothing much, man. Good to see you.
Yeah.
Thanks for having me.
Anytime. You're always welcome. You have the energy of a cartoon character, bro. I fucking dig it. How's life?
I'm good. After tonight, my cartoon will be canceled, so that's not great.
Tight. Do you got anything you got to get off your chest before this battle happens?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah.
Austin, thank you so much for breaking your parole to host this tonight. I know it's a roast, but let's keep the arson to a minimum, okay?
Fuck yeah.
Adam, you have so many restraining orders against you. You put the stock in Beanstalk.
Oh, that's
Let that one sink in. Jake, I know you used to be in a band, but you cannot recruit groupies from the local middle school, okay? We talked about this.
That's facts.
Mitch, you look like your political views start with, well, I ain't a racist, but...
Fuck yeah, dude.
Hannah Jones, you look like a bisexual Betty Boop.
Fuck yeah.
And Hannah Popkins, Shabbat Shalom.
Holy shit, everyone. Nash Levitt. Fuck yeah. Yeah, we're doing best of 3 jokes. I got Nash going first on this one. Wide right, put some energy in the room for these 2!
As a Jehovah's Witness, Phill has had more wood slammed in his face than the inventor of Grindr. All that blunt force trauma has really led to this whole mess.
Well, I don't even know if you know what a mess looks like, so I'll take that as a compliment. I don't know. You're just too fucking nice. I don't know. I had like 3 months to write jokes. I couldn't. I don't know. I don't believe it. Like, I feel like you put yourself through shock therapy just to. You look like you're going through shock therapy right now. I mean, do you like have little bamboo shoots underneath your fingernails to make you smile like that?
I don't, but I do have electrodes on my nipples. That's the same.
Oh. Oh, nice. Oh. Well, that was kind of my joke.
Okay. Cool. Phill Corridor gets his last name from his slutty mom. Instead of a hot dog down a hallway, the throngs of people who had sex with her described it as a corn dog down a corridor.
I don't know. You look like if you look like if Gollum was head of PR, you know. Hello, you're my precious.
Spiegel and I are pretty tight, man, so I can't fault you for that. Well, Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. may have had a dream, but Phill perpetually talks like he just woke up.
Oh, thank you. I am well rested.
You look great.
That's more than I can say for Mr. Rogers, because you look like Mr. Rogers' sleep paralysis demon.
It's a terrible night in the neighborhood, for sure. Everyone.
Wideright, make it loud for these two! Fuck yeah, gentlemen. Fuck yeah. That was exciting. It was exhilarating. You pushed the envelope a couple times. That last joke, people were like, what?
He's a great civil rights leader.
Tight. Fuck yeah, that was fun. Did you enjoy yourself, Phill?
Yeah, that was fun.
Nice, fuck yeah. Let's check in with your judges. Who we got first on the panel? Mitch, what'd you think of these two?
Listen, dude, well, I ain't racist, but... Nash, you look like if cocaine was a person, dude. You look like your political views are... It's Hawaii. I don't need to show my fucking birth certificate. Phill, I don't know. You talk so slow, dude. I don't know if you're just high or have Asperger's, dude. Well, listen, dude.
Both.
I ain't racist, but, dude, you talk as slow as black people walk.
Wait, who are you giving the point to? You gotta...
I'm going Nash.
Nash! Got a point! Fuck yeah.
Phill talks like a stripper taking her last breath. Phill is like if Xanax became a real boy. Nash, I love your outfit, even though you definitely laid it out on your desk last night. And Nash looks like the first person of color the Duggars ever met. Oh, Nash wins.
Oh, we got 2 for Nash.
Wow. One more round of applause for this battle, everybody. That was fucking awesome. Keep it going for the... Yeah. That was great. That was great. I feel like both of y'all are on the same pharmaceutical cocktail as Kamala Harris. I don't know if that makes sense, but it is cool to see both iterations of Michael Jackson on stage. That's pretty cool. Hee. But no, I thought that was such a fun battle. Y'all both have such funny, like, I don't know, man. I can't even look at you, Nash. Get out of here. But I think y'all both had great jokes. My favorite joke was the PR Gollum joke from Phill, though. That shit was so funny. So Phill Corridor gets my vote. So.
Oh, we got 1, 2, everybody!
Yeah, that was wild. Talk about yin and yang, you know? That was crazy. You guys seem like a buddy cop movie where you're both in a psychiatric hospital. Just admitted for different reasons. Nash, you look like you scream at yourself and call yourself a dirty little bitch in the mirror every morning. Phill, you're just the walking embodiment of ketamine.
Jealous.
Yeah, that was wild. I think I'm gonna give it to Phill.
Oh, shit! We've got 2-2 on the board, everybody!
Oh man, this was a great battle. I set my GPS to Phil's voice, but it kept just taking me to Taco Bell. Nash, you look like they tried to clone Jerry Seinfeld using a piece of his foreskin. And Phill looks like they tried to clone Chris Rock using a piece of Jerry Seinfeld's foreskin. I know that Nash put in 10 times the effort into writing jokes for this battle, but I'm giving it to Phill.
Oh, shit, everybody! The final point and victory, Phill Corridor, everyone! Thank you, gentlemen. You guys fucking shined up here. That was dope as fuck. That was dope as fuck. Yeah, he's got fans. Come back. Nash, you're welcome here at any time, trust me. That was fucking proved yourself. Look at making fans. That's what it's all about here at Roast Battle.